Am I overdressed for an intro? Just got home from work. What's up, everybody? While you've been watching us gallivant around the southeastern US, we've been here on Wilder Mountain. Tell them what we've been doing.
Oh, we haven't been doing anything except hiring people to do stuff for us.
No, no, no.
It's true.
Don't tell them that. It's true. We had some big jobs that we couldn't do ourselves. I don't know if you remember, but when we were doing the bed build, I showed them the pallets out in the driveway of our new roof that was going to be installed. And while we were traveling, that was in fact installed on the house.
And then we got gutters as a part of that. And then we got the house painted.
And the house painted. Something we thought about doing ourselves, and after we did the math on it, we said probably not. And then after we watched someone work on it for like a week and a half, definitely not.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to be revealing the outside of this house now. It's like a totally different house. Like, we knew that the exterior needed so much work on this house before we could even start on the interior, and like new roof and painting, all the stucco repair that we did was just like holding everything else up. Is it time to show them? You ready to reveal it?
No.
Yes.
No.
The answer is yes.
We have to finish a deck.
We can't show them us working on that deck without accidentally revealing the house. So we have to reveal the house first.
Oh, we gotta show you guys.
We gotta show you.
Okay, yes, yes.
Here is the new Wilder Mountain. We're super happy with how it turned out.
Yeah.
But the outside's not totally done yet. Last year we redid this deck off of the kitchen, refinished it with like a paint and stain, and I hung a shade sail and all kinds of stuff. And we didn't do that to the other deck off of our bedroom because it still had that old hot tub in it, and that was gonna have to be rebuilt. That's been pulled out, new hot tubs installed on the fixed up deck.
And the gutters are up, so it's not gonna get damaged by the water hitting the wood.
You can see on the existing deck the line where the old gutters didn't work and the drip edge just like
That's the reason that we didn't do that project until now.
So we're gonna refinish this deck today, and then we can like actually put a button in Wilder Mountain exterior. Here we go.
Like some water that was in this bucket, and then with some leaves and mulch mixed in.
Bro, what do you got over there? Leaf and mulch bucket?
And it also has like some water in it.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, that's weird. Okay, dinner's ready.
Dinner's ready. Step one is to power wash. And we're gonna do that now. Here we go. Yeah. Deck set.
We had leftover last time.
This is one of my favorite, like, outdoor living, well, it's not outdoor living, you know, home improvement-y life hacks. I bought these quick release. Why's that on? Why's that happening?
I've been leaving it on so that when I turn the hose on, it
see.
waters the tree.
Smart. It works great, guys. It never messes up.
It's like the most intense one.
That does weird.
Well, we ran out of light.
I'm just texting my friends.
Hello, friends. We're done though.
Yeah, and
Here's the one illuminated spot. Look how clean it is.
He looks really good.
It looks good, right?
Now it has to dry for like 10 years.
We'll look tomorrow and see how we did, and then we'll know. That kind of sucked.
We need to leave everything out in case you want to do more tomorrow, but it might. Wait, let me check.
We need to leave everything out because I don't want to with it. I'm just kidding. I'll with it. Alright, YouTube. It's been about 24 hours. Let's see how we did. It's not like perfectly clean, and there's like individual boards that for whatever reason didn't clean up as well, but I think this will do just fine. There's definitely a much less stark difference between the new wood and the old wood now. So our next job is to mask all this off so we can paint it. I bought a sprayer for this, so optimistic it's gonna go great. It's paint time, YouTube. Paige is already getting started. I'm gonna load up the sprayer for the first time. Wish me luck. I'm making Paige fill my sprayer canister because I'm too messy for that business. What do you guys think? Okay, I went to work for a couple hours and the first coat's dry. So now it's just time to put a second coat down, and I think this should go a whole lot faster. Alright, it's all done. I'm excited to, you know, pull all this masking off and get the fancy look, see what it looks like. Here we go. That was satisfying. I'm gonna clean the rest of this mess up and we'll get some fancy after shots tomorrow, which will be for you right now.